Welcome to the OfisXpert training video on Purchase Module. This video explains how to enter purchases information, type of purchase, quotation, order or invoice, and the details of the item or services purchased. The video also explains how to pay your suppliers for these purchases, how to deal with suppliers who owe you money, and how to analyze your purchasing activity with reports. Overview. Purchases is a portion of Order Management Module. The Order Management Module is integrated with accounting, contact management and inventory management to control the input of goods, raw materials and services from vendors. OfisXpert Purchases and Order Management Module is the display arrangement of items for purchasing, where the user can see a specific list of goods ordered, the status and the vendors. The solution offers features which enable users to convert type of purchases such as purchase quote to purchase order or purchase invoice to goods received note. This will eliminate manual bottlenecks and improve the purchases process by reducing errors. Purchases document type. Purchase quotation. Enter a quote to store an estimate or quote you received from one of your suppliers. A quote has no impact on your inventory levels and can be changed to an order or a bill when you are ready to purchase. Purchase order. An order is a purchase where no service or item has been received. Orders do not affect financial figures or create transactions. User will receive sales order from vendors and record the items, prices and date of delivery into the system. Purchase invoice. An invoice is usually created upon confirmation to purchase and lists the description of goods and services ordered. It can be defined as the request of payment from the vendors for goods sold or services provided. Good receive note. A record of goods has been delivered by vendors. When you record items received, the item will be added to your inventory. Debit note. A document given to offset or increase the company account payable or account receivables. Cash purchases. A document to record cash purchases. Purchase process flow. 1. Click Purchase tab menu. On this page, the system provides purchases flow chart. 3 icons on the left side are shortcuts for purchase listing, purchases ledger and purchases summary. 2. Choose the type of purchase document, quotation, order or invoice. 3. Enter information about the document. Complete the fields as described in the following video. Vendor. Select vendor from the drop-down list. The vendor has been created when users added contacts during setup at previous video. Company. Setup titled Create a contact. Date. Enter the document date. Invoice. No, this will be auto-generated by the system or users can enter the invoice number given by the vendor. Shipping date. Enter the goods delivery date. Transaction. Currency. The transaction currency has been set when the vendor created. Department. Users can choose to select the department that issued this document. This is optional. Project. Users can select project that is related to this document. Billing address. This section is automated by the system as created by users. Shipping address. This section is automated by the system as created by users. 4. Enter the transactions information. The following illustration will guide fields that users are required to fill. Add item. This button will allow users to check the items available and its quantity. Add services. This button will allow users to check the services offered by vendors to the company. Create new item. A shortcut to add new item. Missed entry. Users able to choose expenses account. Code. Item code preset during item setup, showed in video. Add item. Company setup titled Add an item/inventory. Description. A description of the item appeared automatically as preset during item setup. The description can be amended. Order quantity. The quantity to be purchased. Unit. Unit was preset during item setup. Price. Enter the item prices given by vendor. Amount. Calculated automatically by the system. Discount. Type of volume discount as a percentage given by vendor, if any. Tax. The default tax for an item appeared automatically based on item's setup. The tax code can be amended accordingly. 5. The following video explains the additional information in the document such as transaction options, remarks and invoice amount. Tax inclusive. When you tick this command, the system will calculate the tax into the total. Cash sale. When you tick this command, the system will note that this transaction is a cash sale. Select the cash account that involved in this transaction. GST transaction purpose. Choose the drop-down list should the purchase acquired as capital goods that need to apply GST calculation. Payment terms. Terms for the company to settle the amount owed to suppliers. Remarks. User can write remarks that relate to this document. Invoice amount. Total amount for this transaction. Attach document. Attach original sales invoice or order received from supplier. 6. When the document is saved or posted, users will be directed to the listing page. The following video explains the details available on the listing page. Filter search filter to narrow the list. Date the date of the document. Number automated numbering system to avoid number duplication. Each document will receive its own unique number. Vendor/PIE the contact of which the document issued to. Status the status of the document, new, open, paid, partial paid, cash. Purchases or closed. Amount due by the company. Ref # appear when the document is converted from another purchase. Document. View the document. Alter allow users to edit the document. Payments when the icon payment appear, it indicate that the invoice has amount due need to be paid. Click on the icon will direct user to payment expense page. Goods the icon will only appear when the goods has been received. Cash purchases. First click Purchases tab menu and choose Cash Purchases icon. Second steps as shown in Purchases process flow. Third select the cash account before posting the document. Thank you for watching Purchase Module Part 1.